Hey guys, Richard Constable from Rich C Guitar here. Today we're going to be learning about some 3-finger chords you can play on the bottom 3 strings. So let's jump into it. We'll start with a straight line here, which is the F minor. This is part of the F minor bar chord. That's where you flatten your first finger across the first fret of the first 3 strings. So if you can't flatten your finger like this, go onto my F bar chord video and see some different strengthening exercises you can try out. But for this, if you can't do that, try and do your A shape, where you put 3 fingers on each string, over the 3 strings. Okay, then we have part 2, which is the F major side. So that's where you put your second finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then flatten your first finger across the 1st fret of the first 2 strings. So similar to the F minor, where you just got your 2nd finger down on the 2nd fret. If you can't do this, flatten your first finger, try using your 1st and 2nd on the first 2 strings, and then your 3rd on this side. But I recommend trying to flatten your first finger down there. So that's the F minor and the F major. So part 3 is the B flat major and the B flat minor. Okay, so if we just take the bottom 3 strings, start with the B flat major. So that's where we use our first finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string, then the 4th and 3rd fingers on the 3rd fret of the 2nd and 3rd strings. It's a B flat major. Then part 4 is the B flat minor. So that's when you put your first finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string, your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. The diagonal line, just like this. So part 5 is the application of these chords. Number 1, you can move them all across the fretboard. So we were on the 1st position, F minor, and B flat major and minor. You can go up to the 5th fret, which is A, and you can do exactly the same things. A minor, A major, and then when you're moving up to the next string, it's the D. So you've got D major and D minor. And if you move up to the 10th, for example, you've got D minor and D major, or G major or G minor. So whereas a lot of songs are down here, in the 1st position, you've got all these different chords that you learn when you're first learning the guitar. What's great is that you might play a D minor here, but to give a different sound in a song, you could be doing the D minor up here, or the A minor here, the E minor here. So there's lots of combinations you can try, so give it a go in some different songs. You can also free up your other fingers. Okay, so let's go back to the A minor. So you're flattening across the bottom 3 strings, but you've still got 3 fingers to use. So you can start coming up with some different licks, while including the chords within the lick. Or if you had the D minor, you can try some different things. So give it a go. Those are my 3-finger chords for you today. So try them in different positions and see if you can vary up the songs that you've been learning recently. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.